Talk Shop: How Air Suspension Transforms Your Driving Experience. Have you ever wondered what it really means when car manufacturers mention air suspension in their specifications? How does it stack up against traditional systems like double-wishbone, multi-link, or McPherson strut setups? Let's dive into the fascinating world of air suspension and uncover its secrets. Often, when you see the term air suspension on a spec sheet, there's little explanation provided. This is likely a deliberate choice by manufacturers to project an image of sophistication rather than to clarify the technical details of their suspension systems. To understand air suspension, it's essential to know that each wheel of a car is mounted on a complex assembly made up of three key components: interconnecting levers or linkages, a spring, and a damper. Interestingly, the design of the front suspension usually differs from the rear. This is because the front wheels not only steer the vehicle but also bear 70 to 80% of the braking force. In an air suspension system, the traditional steel spring is replaced with a rubber bellow filled with pressurized air, courtesy of an onboard air compressor. When this bellow is compressed under load, the increasing internal pressure compensates for the reduced volume, effectively acting as a spring. This innovative design absorbs road shocks and keeps the vehicle body level. Just like how your car rests on air-filled rubber tires, it's no surprise that a pressurized rubber air plenum can handle various road impacts with ease. What's more, any double wishbone, McPherson strut, or multi-link system can be fitted with an air or pneumatic spring instead of a steel coil or torsion spring. The other components, such as linkages and hydraulic shock absorbers, remain unchanged from a conventional setup. This flexibility allows air suspension to be utilized on all four wheels or, in many cases, just the rear. One of the standout features of air suspension is its ability to adjust spring rate and ride height by varying the volume and pressure of the air within the bellow. For instance, if your trunk is packed with luggage, the vehicle's suspension control unit kicks in, activating the compressor to boost air pressure in the bellows. This adjustment restores the original ride height and increases spring stiffness to support the added weight. This adaptability is the hallmark of air suspension, making it a game-changer in automotive design. Additionally, the term air suspension can also refer to more advanced systems that include variable rate dampers. Similar to the original Citroën hydro-pneumatic system, these setups utilize pressurized hydraulic fluid, aided by high-pressure nitrogen, to manage damping functions while the pneumatic bellows handle the spring duties. This sophisticated version of suspension not only enhances handling but also elevates ride comfort to new heights. However, this luxury comes at a price, making it a feature typically found in high-end vehicles. For more insights and updates, don't forget to join our Telegram channel for the latest breaking news.